Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sweet and tangy Vietnamese pickled shallots. These shallots are soaked in a mixture of salt, sugar, vinegar, and chili, creating the perfect balance of sweet, tangy, salty, and spicy. The result? Beautifully white, crisp pickled shallots with no sharp bite. They're great for digestion and help cut through the richness of heavier dishes. Pickled shallots are a must-have on northern Vietnamese tables during Tet, Lunar New Year. They pair perfectly with bánh chưng, sticky rice cakes, pork rolls, roasted meat, or boiled pork belly. To prepare the shallots, I'm going to soak them in rice water or a light saltwater solution. Rice water is simply the water you get from rinsing rice before cooking. This helps to reduce their sharpness, making them milder and quicker to pickle. It's natural, effective, and keeps the shallots clean. Let the shallots soak for a day. After soaking, I'll peel off the outer skins, trim the roots, and remove any soft or damaged parts. Once peeled, I'll rinse the shallots in light salt water. This makes them crisper and mellows out their flavor. I've now got 500 grams of prepped shallots, and I'm adding 100 grams of carrots cut into decorative shapes or small sticks to pickle along with the shallots. Soak the shallots and carrots in salt water for about 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly and let them drain. Let's make the pickling brine. For 500 grams of shallots, I'm using 250 milliliters vinegar, 200 grams sugar, 30 grams of salt, 50 milliliters fish sauce, 250 milliliters water. Mix everything together, bring it to a boil, and stir well. The brine should taste sweet, tangy, and slightly salty. Boiling the vinegar helps to tone down its sharpness and makes the brine more fragrant, so your pickles last longer. Once the brine has boiled, turn off the heat and let it cool completely before using it to pickle the shallots. Now, with the shallots and carrots dried and the brine cooled, it's time to pickle. Make sure your jar is clean and completely dry. Layer the shallots and carrots in the jar, and for extra flavor, add some sliced chilies. You can adjust the amount of chili depending on how spicy you like it. Finally, pour the brine into the jar, ensuring all the shallots are fully submerged. This is key to keeping them fresh and flavorful. The pickled shallots will be ready to eat in about 1.5 days in warm weather. If it's cooler, give it about 3 days. They'll be crunchy, tangy, and slightly sweet, with just a hint of heat. The liquid will stay clear, and the pickles will have a lovely aroma. Serve them with Vietnamese sticky rice cake, bánh chưng, boiled pork, or whatever you like. They're so delicious and help balance rich dishes beautifully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos.